Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can use Snapchat on your web browser. So Snapchat has released a new web browser version of Snapchat, so you can easily use it on your web as well. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Snapchat web. And after you search for Snapchat web, you want to click on versus web.snapchat.com. Click on it and it's going to take you to the browser version of Snapchat. Now once you're over here, it's going to first ask you to log in into your account. So log in into your account. So I'm going to log into my account and meet you at the next step. Now I need to open my Snapchat app on my device so that I can confirm it. So on your device, it's going to ask you, do you want to log in into your account or not? So you need to open Snapchat, alright, and click on yes. Once you get the authorization from your Snapchat device, which you are logged in into Snapchat, you need to log in into your Snapchat on your device first, alright? So once you get that, basically it's done. Click on get started and basically your Snapchat should work like this, alright? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can use Snapchat on your web. As you guys can see, I can even use filters over here. So hope you understand how we guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time.